morning, students. How are you all? Say, I am fine. Thank you, ma'am. When ma'am will ask you, how are you all? You have to say, I am fine. Thank you, ma'am. Very good. So, students, I am your class teacher, Mrs. Neha Sharma, and today I am going to teach you phonics sound. Before I will start the class, I will put some question. So tell me, what is the day today? Anyone tell me what is the day today? Yes, today is Monday. Today is Monday. When anyone asks you, beta, what is the day today? You have to tell them, today is Monday. And what is the date today? Today is 7th March 2022. 7th March. Okay. क्या है आज? 7th of March. Month of the year is March. ठीक है. मार्च कैसे आता है? फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर इज जनवरी, सेकेंड इज फेब्रुवरी एंड थर्ड वन इज मार्च. ओके, थर्ड वन इज मार्च. नाउ we will start our class and today I am going to teach you phonics sound. Phonics sound of A, sound of B, sound of C. पहले हम कैसे करते थे? कैसे लर्न करते थे? A for apple, B for ball, है ना? हमने क्लास में कैसे लर्न किया है? A for apple, B for ball. लेकिन अब हम कैसे करेंगे इसको याद? Now see there. Yes. What is it? What is it? A. And sound of A की A. Not tell them. Not tell A for. For नहीं बोलना है आपको. आपको क्या बोलना है? A apple. A apple. A ant. A ant. A arrow. A arrow. A apple, A ant, A arrow. Now, next one is B. B bat. B bat. B की साउंड क्या होती है? B. B bat. Now repeat with me. B bat. B basket. B basket. Third one is C. Sound of C is K. Cat बोलते हैं ना हम? C for क्या बोलते हैं? Cat. Now sound of C is C K cat. C K cat. C K cat. C K cow. C K cow. Now next one D. D the dog. Sound of D is D. D. D the dog. D the dog. D the dot. D the dot. Next one E. E की साउंड क्या होगी? ए. छोटा सा ए. E elephant. E elephant. E egg. E egg. Next one F. F for fish. Sound of F is F. F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. G. G gate. G G की साउंड क्या होती है? ग. G gate. G got. G got. H H for क्या होता है? H for hen. आप बोलते हो ना hen. hen कैसे हुआ? H hen. H hat. H hat. I ink pot. I ink pot. I ink pot. I-E, igloo. I-E, igloo. Igloo. Okay. Now next one is J. Sound of J is J. Sound of J is J. J, jacket. J, jacket. J, jug. J, jug. Next one, K. Kettle. Okay, now tell me, C की साउंड भी क होती है और K की साउंड भी क होती है. Sound of C is also क and sound of K is also क. Cat. Kettle. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for kite. K for kite. Okay. Now next one, L. Lion. L, lion. Lamp. Next one is M. Mango. M for mango. 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 Mat. Okay. N, napkin. Sound of N is N. Napkin and nest. Nest. O, orange. O की साउंड क्या आएगी? O, orange. O, orange. O, octopus. Octopus. Now next one, P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for pen. P for pen. Now next one, Q. Sound of Q is qua. Qua. Yes, qua. Q, qua, quill. Q, qua, quill. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Yes. Now next one is R. Rose. 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 Rope. S, sun. Sock. Okay. Next one is T, tomato. Tag. U. Sound of U is a. Sound of U is a. Under. Under the table है ना बच्चा, कहाँ बैठा हुआ है? Under. टेबल के नीचे बैठा हुआ है. umbrella. We were was. Now next one, W. W के साउंड भी व होती है, लेकिन इसके साउंड में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. Watermelon. Okay, we were watermelon. We were watch. Was नहीं कहते हम बोलते हैं was. And this one is watch. Next one, X. Xmas tree. X-ray है ना? X. Okay, now next one, Y, yo-yo. yak. Last one is Z. Everyone confused in Z and J. Okay. J for zebra. G for zebra नहीं होता. Z, Z, Z. It's a Z. And that one, J. J से jug. J for jug. J for joker, है ना? And this one is Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z for zip. जिप नहीं बोलेंगे बेटा, इसे जिप नहीं बोलेंगे, इसको हम बोलेंगे जिप. जी फॉर जैब्रा नहीं बोलेंगे, जैब्रा. आप लोग क्या बोलते हो? जैब्रा. नो, दिस वन इज रॉन्ग. जिब्रा. जिब्रा. जिब्रा एंड जिप. And that one is J for jug and J for joker. Okay. And today we will revise. We have done our sounding words. Okay. Phonic sounds word A to Z. This is your homework. Everyone learn this phonic sound. Okay. A to Z की phonic sound आपको learn करनी है. This is your homework. Okay. Now say bye bye. Bye. Have a good day.